Welcome to the 14th and final installment of the Pennies-AI tutorial series. This time we're going to talk about subscriptions. And of course we hope that you're going to subscribe and enjoy Pennies-AI. So there's different subscription models for the web versus Apple versus Google. We'll go through two of them. If we go to more subscription, you'll see what your current subscription is. The subscription ID is unique to you, and it's across all three platforms. If you ever have a problem with your subscription, when you email or contact us, send us the subscription ID so that we can find you. Subscriptions are managed and tracked by RevenueCat. RevenueCat aggregates all three together so that you subscribe anywhere, then you can log in anywhere. Each of the different platforms, though, have their own payment processor. On the web, we use Stripe. On iOS, it's Apple. And on Google, it's Google. Android, it's Google. So if you need to cancel your subscription or manage it after you've subscribed, then you can go to the customer portal where you bought it. So if you bought it on web, you go to web, etc. This page is context aware, so it will change, as we'll see over here in Android. It'll look different. So if we go to more subscription over here, you see we're talking about Google Play and their portal, Stripe portal. On Apple, you'll see Apple's portal, a link to Apple's portal. So if we manage our subscription, and we're talking about this here, we'll take you to RevenueCat. This is the payment aggregator. We're in a sandbox here because we're in beta. So, but these are going to be the real subscriptions when it goes to production. So you have a yearly non-renewing subscription, a yearly auto-renewing subscription, and an auto-renewing monthly. You don't want to pay $30 all at once. So we'll just do this, and you can see it's a sandbox. We're testing. If you want to help test, just put in all four twos. That tells RevenueCat that we are using a test card. And then any numbers and the security code and the zip code will work. And then by subscribing, you agree to allow Pennies-AI to charge you according to the terms until you cancel. Renews automatically, cancel anytime. So here we go. We're going to pay. Payment complete. Now we're going to continue. And it's successful. Thanks for subscribing. We do send you emails to confirm for both Pennies-AI, and you'll also get one from Stripe or RevenueCat. But there's no way to go back from here. So we want to use our browser back button and go down to the one with the penny, because these are all the payment processor. So when we come back here, then we can go to our subscription, and lo and behold, we have a regular subscription that's monthly test, and it's $2.99. And RevenueCat billing, that means the web, the store was the web, and then it expires, look at that, just in a few minutes, because these are, again, all UTC times. So, and then there's my subscription ID. So that's how subscriptions work. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. Over here, when you manage your subscription, you'll go to the RevenueCat paywall. The only difference with production is you'll see a terms of use link here as well, which will be terms of use for Google or Apple, depending on what platform you're on. Again, you can choose any of the three, the same prices as there were on the web. And when you subscribe, then this is a test store, so we have all kinds of different ways to test. Just test a valid purchase. And when we refresh, oh, this is local, so you'll never see it. So I'm running this locally in a simulator, so you'll never see it update. But if this were both on the main website, you would see the subscription here change to update. It would then say Google. So if you already have a subscription, don't resubscribe until it expires. We'll tell you when it expires because then you'll only have read-only access. But that's pretty much how to do subscriptions. We do hope you'll subscribe. And thank you so much for spending the time to go through the tutorial series. I hope you've gotten a lot out of it. Enjoy using Pennies-AI. Thanks a lot.